Whether you're a designer or engineer searching for your complete machining solution, or a CNC programmer looking to integrate a cam for real CAD and multiple axis cam, as an Inventor users, you all have one thing in common. You want a professional cam solution providing you with all the tools you need to work the way you work. With Inventor CAM, CNC programmers gets all the features and flexibility they expect from toolpath creation to post-processing. Not only does this provide you with 2 and full 3-axis functions, this integrated CAM solution has the easiest to learn multi-axis tools, including tilt, multi-axis contour, and swerve. Power users will be happy to know that Inventor CAM supports rest machining, user customizable tool libraries, and lets you create unlimited machining templates. Bottom line, CAM within Inventor lets you manufacture the highest quality parts in the shortest time possible. Inventor CAM includes a powerful and dynamic toolpath simulation so users can see what they'll be machining long before they post their files. Speaking of posts, Inventor CAM includes a post-processing system including a full library of edible post-processors for the industry's most popular machines. Users can also create graphical HTML setup sheets including tooling data and toolpath statistics that helps machinists during the setup and machining process. While CNC programmers appreciate the power and the flexibility of Inventor CAM, designers and engineers appreciate the integration, especially the seamless workflow between design and toolpath creation. You never leave your CAD system. Simply put, if you know Inventor, you know Inventor CAM.